Okay, I've just added my lime juice, and now it's time to season my avocados or guacamole. And to do this, I'm going to do kosher salt. And avocados really do take in a lot of salt, but as always use less. You can always add more. It's always easier to take it out is what I'm trying to say. So do a little bit at a time, and you can always mix in more. So I'm going to do about 2 teaspoons of salt here, and about a teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper. Excuse me. And again, here's another opportunity to be creative. You can mix in adobo sauce. Some people like to add in fresh garlic. You can add in sour cream. There's a lot of different things that you can do to your avocados or guacamole here. But all I'm going to do here is mix it up with my spoon. I like the flavors just as is. And this is really a product that the longer that it sits, the better flavor it's going to be. When I say that, I mean you want to let it sit for about 30 minutes. Let all the flavors meld together. And this is a texture of our guacamole. This is what it looks like here. Still kind of chunky, but definitely has some texture to it, and definitely has some smooth sides to it. So this is just how we want it. The next thing that we're going to do before we set it into the refrigerator is cover it with plastic wrap. Now, avocados are a little bit of a unique fruit because oxidation occurs whenever air hits it. And oxidation is just occurs, it makes things brown. For example, if you cut an apple and it browns, that's oxidation. Well, avocados do the same thing. And the only way to prevent it is to eliminate the oxygen. So what we're going to do is take our plastic wrap and place it onto our guacamole. But instead of just leaving it like that, we're going to press it all the way down so that no air hits it. And there's all kind of wives' tales about placing the pits of the avocado in, and that helps it. But really, it's a scientific fact. The only thing that prevents oxidation is a little bit of acid, which will help it, but the only thing that'll keep it from browning is going to be the plastic wrap and not allowing oxygen into our product. So what we've done is we've pressed down the plastic wrap, made sure we don't have any oxygen in here. We're going to place it into our refrigerator. In about 30 minutes, it'll be ready to go.